Is it recording?
Yeah, I'm trying to figure it all out here. Yeah.
So I rarely drink. This is one of the few times that I'd be caught with
With booze. Is it good?
I feel like there's a disproportionate amount of videotape and photography with me drinking booze now.
No.
They aren't really bearding, but they're fanning. There's quite a bit of fanning.
What's the difference between bearding and fanning?
Well, that's bearding. Over there on the paracord, like where it droops down.
Oh, like where they clump up.
Yeah, we can cut and go back to that or whatever. And then fanning is going to be where they're in front of the hive entrance, and they fly.
There's the clump. That is the new bee box. And there
the
is
old trap. That trap was up there.
Yeah, the blue trap was up there on top of that wood slat. So that's your like first trapped bee colony?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and the other one's coming in through there. If you can see.
Oh, let's go. Back in the bee hat.
Alright, I'll be right back here. Isn't this great, the Italian restaurant? Queen Trap. Yep, Snow Queen, it was just all pheromones. So I'm just going to get all this debris, the stuff that I cut out, all the cord. I'm going to move it over here. There's some right here. Stick it right here. Come back over here and double check. Look, see how I left this cord? A little bit of paracord.
Yeah. No queen, huh?
Now you better, yeah, I didn't see one, so just, I mean, this would be a time to just, and there's a cord right behind your back.
Okay. I'm gonna stop recording for just a second.
Yep.
Let me.
Oh, jeez.
Get you?
Did you get stung?
No.
You didn't get stung?
No, did you?
No. That was cool.
Oh, yeah.
Ah.